If you're a BCBA who's been blaming billable hours for your burnout, you're missing the real problem. And until you understand what's actually causing good BCBAs to leave the field, you're going to stay stuck in the same exhausting cycle. I'm Amelia Dalphonse, and I've worked with hundreds of BCBAs who thought they were burned out because of impossible billable hour requirements. But here's what I discovered. The BCBAs who thrive aren't necessarily working fewer hours. They've solved a completely different problem that most people don't even know exists. Let me ask you something. When you became a BCBA, what drew you to this field? Was it the paperwork, the insurance authorizations, the constant productivity pressure? Of course it wasn't. You probably wanted to make a meaningful difference in the lives of individuals and their families. You wanted to use your expertise to create real change. But here's what's happening to good BCBAs everywhere. You're spending 80% of your time on tasks that have nothing to do with why you became a BCBA in the first place. And everyone keeps telling you that the problem is billable hours. If only you had fewer billable hours, you'd be happy. Or maybe they're suggesting self-care as the solution. Just go take a bubble bath. But I've seen BCBAs with 25-hour work weeks who regularly take time for self-care who are just as burned out as those working 40 plus billable hours. The real problem isn't the number of hours that you're working. It's the disconnect between what you're required to do and what you actually value as a professional. Think about it. You became a BCBA to be a behavior analyst, not a data entry clerk. You wanted to design innovative interventions, not chase down missing session notes. You wanted to mentor families and teams, not negotiate with insurance companies about coverage. This is what I call the values misalignment trap. And it's the real reason good BCBAs are leaving the field. When your daily tasks don't align with your professional values, every hour feels like a grind. It doesn't matter if it's 20 hours or 40 hours, you're still spending your time on work that doesn't fulfill you. Here's what happens. You start questioning if you chose the right career. You feel guilty for not being grateful for a good job. You might even start thinking there's something wrong with you or for not being satisfied with the work that you have. But there's nothing wrong with you. It's the system that's broken. So what's the alternative? What if I told you there's a way to use your BCBA skills in a way that actually aligns with your values, a way to make the impact you always wanted to make while also having the freedom and flexibility you crave? This is exactly what we teach in our program, Beyond Boundaries Freedom Frameworks. See, most BCBAs think their only options are work for an agency and deal with the burnout, or start a traditional ABA practice and become a business owner dealing with the same systematic issues, or leave the field entirely. But there's actually a fourth option that most BCBAs never actually consider. You could build an information business around your expertise. So what does this look like? Instead of trading hours for dollars in direct service, you create educational content, courses, coaching programs, or consultation services that leverage your knowledge to help other professionals or families. For example, one of our members created an online course teaching parents how to implement basic ABA strategies at home. Another developed a coaching program for new BCBAs entering the field. Someone else built a consultation business helping schools implement positive behavior supports. The key is you're still using your BCBA expertise, but you're doing it in a way that aligns with your values. You're teaching, mentoring, innovating, and creating resources, all the things that probably drew you to behavior analysis in the first place. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but I don't know how to start a business. That's exactly what we teach you. I don't have time to build a business on the side. We show you how to start small and build systematically. You might also be thinking, I'm not sure there's a market for my expertise, but trust me, there is. The demand for quality ABA education and support is enormous. You might also think, what about my ethical obligations? Everything we teach is completely aligned with the BACB ethics code. In fact, many of our strategies help you make an even greater ethical impact. Beyond Boundaries Freedom Frameworks isn't just another business course. It's specifically designed for BCBAs who want to break free from the traditional employment model and build something meaningful. We teach you how to identify your unique expertise and package it in valuable offers. We teach you to build an audience of people who need what you have to offer. We teach you to create systems that generate income without requiring you to trade dollars for hours. And we teach you to scale your impact beyond what's possible in traditional services. We also teach you to maintain your professional integrity while building financial freedom. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable career that aligns with your values and allows you to make the impact you always wanted. Here's the thing. Every day you stay in the burnout loop is another day you're not making the impact you're capable of making. Every day you're not building something aligned with your values is another day the field loses your unique perspective and expertise. The BCBAs who will thrive in the next decade aren't the ones who just accept the status quo. They're the ones who take control of their careers and build something meaningful. If you're ready to break free from the burnout loop and start building a career that actually aligns with your values, I want to invite you to learn more about the Beyond Boundaries Freedom Frameworks program. The link is going to be in the description below. Don't wait for the system to change. Don't wait for agencies to suddenly prioritize your professional fulfillment. Take control of your career and start building something that matters. Remember, your burnout isn't really about billable hours. It's about building a career that honors your values and maximizes your impact. And that's exactly what we're here to help you do. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into creating your first CEU course. Until then, stop accepting burnout as inevitable and start building the career you actually want.